So now let us start our angle. That what is angle? So we can say about angle is a measurement of rotation. In a single word, if anyone is asking to you that what do you mean by angle, then on that case you have to say that it is nothing but the rotation. Okay, so now the question arises that what is rotation, or rotation of what? The rotation of a ray. The rotation of a ray, to suppose that you have the initial side or the initial ray, you can say as OA. So now suppose that you have just rotate it towards that position, means in upward direction you are going to rotate it and it has reached to the position B. So now as A has reached to the position B, and that is called the terminal side, then that rotation or that measurement of the rotation is said to be the angle, and that angle is represented or denoted by positive theta. Theta is representing the angle. You can say it angle AOB, you can also say it angle BOA, but as when your initial side be rotated towards anti-clockwise direction, then on that case it is said to be the positive angle. Okay, and now about the negative angle we are going to move. Now suppose that you have the initial line OA, and now this initial line has been rotated in the downward direction. So suppose that it is rotating in the downward direction, means in clockwise direction you are just moving or going to rotate it, then on that case what you will get, so that will give you the negative of the angle. Okay, now you have understood it, that when your rotation be in the upward direction or in the anti-clockwise direction, then you will consider it as the positive angle, and when it will move towards the downward direction, means in clockwise direction, then you will say that this angle is the negative angle. So now I think that you have grasped the concept related to the angle, that what is it? So angle is measurement of the rotation. The rotation of what? The rotation of a line, rotation of an initial side, rotation of a ray towards anti-clockwise direction, then it is positive angle, and towards anti-clockwise clockwise direction, then it will give you the negative of the angle. Now you have understood it. Now about the angle measurement, as I have told you that about the angle measurement means what is angle, positive angle, negative angle, everything you have understood. So now you have to just grasp the concept that how to measure the angle. So now angle measurement, about the angle measurement you can say mainly there are the three measurements, but mainly two measurement you have to study. In your syllabus it is mentioned the two main angle measurement. So now grade is also one of the measurement which I am not explaining because it is not in your syllabus. So now about the angle measurement, that number one is degree measure. So what do you mean by the degree measure? So degree, to understand the degree measure, all of you know that you have in a circle one complete rotation will give you the 360 degree angle, or you can say 360 rotation. Suppose that your initial line is here and you are just moving it, and again you have reached to the point A. Suppose that you have reached here, आप यहाँ पहुँच गए हैं, तो on that case that rotation will be the 136 means 360 degree. So now the 1 by 360th 1 by 360th part of the rotation will give you the 1 degree, and again that 1 degree will be subdivided into 60 minutes, and again the 1 minute has been divided into 60 seconds. Understood it? So means you have to say that 1 degree is nothing but the revolution or the rotation of 1 by 360th of the rotation. So now 1 by 360th of a revolution will give you 1 degree, and 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Understood? And now about the radian measure, so I am just going to explain it. Now I think that you have got the concept of the degree measure. What is degree measure?